Hello guys, I am Shaun from tips.Which. Today I'll show you how to play PUBG games in your 1 GB RAM mobile, and that was so easy without hanging problem and without any buffering problem. If you have your phone is low quality, that was not a big problem. You can play this game very easily. So let's start. How can you play and how can you download it? So first of all, you go to my description box, then you click on this link. I will send you the link in my description box. Then you, after clicking this link, then you find this interface, then click on this. You can click latest version. After clicking the latest version, you can see the downloading option, then click on the download. Then it was the download. It is full free download without any problem and any requesting problem. It was very free and without ad problem. Just download this version and you will play your mobile without any problem. If you have any problem, just comment below. I think it was must work. I will try it. If you have any problem, please comment. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.